Gat. The word gat means to walk, a stylized way of walking. In the Lucknow Gharana of Kathak, gat is a speciality, a peculiar thing. There are many types of gats. The gat could be a peacock gat, an elephant gat, a deer gat, a घूंघट की गत, बेंदे की गत, झुमके की गत, रुखसार की गत, छपके की गत, न जाने कितनी, many guts. But before any of them are explored, you always have to do a nikas. Nikas is to take an entry. How do you actually introduce the concept of gat to an audience who perhaps is now going to enjoy the various rhythm patterns that you are going to create, which will engulf or bring in the nitya and the nritya aspects? Normally, a gat is performed somewhere in the middle of the repertoire. You've sort of finished your technique and you're about to start something that has sahitya, then that's where the gat comes in. Also, a gat is used when you do a badi gat. Badi gat is an extension of the gat. Badi gat is perhaps telling a story without using a single word. So the vocabulary here would be from the tabla, pakhavat, sarangi, sitar, whatever it may be, whether it's a percussion instrument or a musical, melodious instrument. Even if the vocalist is singing, you'd probably be singing the sargams, not the words. So a badi gat is an elaboration of something based on the rhythm or the melodious patterns without using any word. Before a gat, necessary to take a palta. The minute the dancer takes a palta, the audience who knows and understands Kathak would know that now there's going to be a gat.